As a business owner, we have problems that we need to solve. But literally, you guys, comment, what else am I supposed to do at this point? Not good, not good at all. So last week's video, I'm in high spirits, feeling all the love, and this week, business owner downfall. What I thought was a productive day took a 180, and an item got ruined, and now I have to break the news to my customer. Hi guys, before we get started with today's video, I want to thank you for watching my last video about, me quitting my corporate job and I'm doing this full time now. Even that video kind of made me nervous. I don't know why. I just didn't want anyone to know. I don't even know why. But now the cat's out of the bag and you know that I'm doing machine embroidery full time now. So if that video got you excited and motivated, I have another. It's a challenge that I'm doing. So I'm going to be talking about that later on in the video. Well, I'll tell you, it's 15 days of rejection, and I will share some details with you later on in the video. If you're not following me yet, you can go follow me at Simply Delilah 1. Some of you may already know about that rejection challenge. Leave me comments. Let me know what you think about that. But I just want to thank everybody for leaving me these comments. You guys are just so sweet. I love that I told you guys about my faith. I think a lot of us really do need God in our lives as guidance, but sometimes we come across maybe weird or don't want to share that. I'm glad I shared that with you guys. And it's just reassuring to know that there are other people out there that share the same values as I do. Now that the dust has settled, it's time for a reality check. What does a full-time business owner actually do all day? Well, I pace back and forth and yell at myself like a drill sergeant. Today, I'm taking you along for the ride, and there's so much admin stuff. This, I think, turned out so nice. I have an order. It's a med spa to stitch out 5 jackets for True Health. They want me to do the sleeves, so this is what the sleeves will look like, and then the back, and then I'm going to do their name in the front. So 3 different areas on one jacket. It is kind of nerve-wracking. I also did, let me show you this. I'm also working on these today. This is from med spa, another med spa here locally. These turned out really nice as well. I need to finish these. I need to send them to the post office to get them shipped out. I have quite a few packages that need to be shipped out today that is not going to be ready for the mailman. The mailman comes at 10 a.m. One thing that I struggle with is staying on track. Like if I didn't have my Google Calendar, I think I would, well, I know, I literally would walk around in circles because this is how my mind works. Okay, I'll be like, okay, I got to embroider this sweatshirt. Oh, but I gotta package those orders. Oh, but then I gotta respond to this email. Oh my gosh, I gotta order those sweatshirts. And then I just don't do anything. So what I do is at nighttime, ideally, I like to, whatever I didn't get done the day before, I'm putting on my Google Calendar what needs to get done for the next day. And if it was a perfect day, which this morning has started out that way, I didn't check my phone, and that was really good. I wake up and I know exactly what I need to do, come downstairs and start embroidery and just get going on some things before I even check my phone. as a business owner, we have problems that we need to solve, and we need to solve them quickly. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and keep watching. Thank you. Quickly. We all have done this. I stitched the back to the front. I don't know how. Even with as much stuff as I have done, as much experience I have, somehow this happened. I went through the entire Christmas season, thank you God, without messing up. North Face jackets, Carhartt jackets, Patagonia sweaters. So I guess here we go. The only way I could get it out of the hoop is just by cutting it. Now it has a big, huge hole in the side of the sleeve. There's nothing I can do but try to get a replacement. And if I can't find a replacement, I'm gonna have to tell her. If I can find the replacement, get it done, she doesn't even need to know, right? Because I searched online for these jackets and I can't find them. I sent her a message. Oh, your jackets are really cute. Where did you get them? And so she's like, oh, Costco. So we are going to make a trip to Costco. I already went online and they are out of stock. They're out of stock online, but we're going to go to Costco. And if we can't find them, I need to find something that is similar. And then I will need to message her and let her know that I messed up because there's no way around it and that I can embroider it on a different one. But this person is going to have a non-matching jacket. But literally, you guys comment, what else am I supposed to do at this point? I'm only human, mistakes happen. And when they place their order online, I do have a disclaimer on there. I will put it up here so that you guys can read it because I don't remember what it says, but it's really good. And it tells them, just read that. So I just got out of Costco. They're like a different ball game. They're really strict there. I think I was supposed to show them my ID, but I don't have one. Sam's Clubs, you don't have to do that. Anyways, I was able to get through and I went and looked for the 32-degree jacket. They don't have any, but they've got some nice stuff in Costco. I usually go to Sam's Club. I think I'm going to switch to Costco. They have like Carhartts, Nikes, but they didn't have any more of that jacket that I'm looking for. Now I am going to TJ Maxx to see if they just have a really nice black jacket, and it is what it is. I just got out of TJ Maxx. They didn't have anything that I was looking for. I did find this really cute wallet though. This cute little insert is so cute to put my business cards in. And I do really like black and white. Okay, what I'm gonna have to do now is just let her know. Well, I'm also going to look on Amazon. Amazon might have a jacket, you know, that would be similar to that one. Yeah, I'm looking here. I can't even find it on Amazon. Like, I just can't find that jacket anywhere. So I'm just gonna have to contact the med spa and let her know that her jacket is ruined. I won't say it in those words though. Let me just think about this for a minute. I think I'm just going to start with the good news. I'm going to show her the jackets. Like, the jackets turned out great, but there is a slight issue with so-and-so's jacket. And I'm going to see how she responds and then go from there. Okay, so she just responded with what's on it, like what happened. Send. And now we wait.